Hey guys, just a few tips today about small claims court, and with one caveat that different states have different rules. But we're talking about Utah Small Claims Court. In January of 2025, the amount that you could raise or claim in small claims court was increased to now $20,000, which means a lot of cases could be resolved there. And there are some different steps. And so it's just good to be aware. Some of the courts require some kind of an online dispute resolution process. Before you can actually get your hearing, you might be required to go online, to log in, usually within 14 days, and to talk with someone who's trying to resolve the case with you and the other party. If that doesn't work, or if one of the parties doesn't show up, then typically they can move forward to an actual court date. And when you do that, there's some general things to keep in mind. Number one, the rules of evidence and the rules of procedure are relaxed. They are slightly different than in regular district court, and they have separate rules. You can look at the rules for small claims procedure just to follow it if you'd like. But again, a lot of it is relaxed. Sometimes, even if you're right in the way that the rules should be handled, the judges tend to err on the side of making sure everybody has their quote-unquote day in court. So it's still helpful to look at the rules. One of the most common issues that come up in small claims, especially when you're doing this on your own, is that you don't properly serve notice of the lawsuit or notice of the hearing, and so you end up having to get it rescheduled a couple of times. So save yourself time, make sure you get the service done the right way. So number one, the amount. Number two, make sure you follow the rules the right way. And then number three, make sure that you actually have documents to support what you file. You can often file a claim with just simply your statement and paying the fees and listing the other party. But in order to win, you have to make sure that you have documents to back it up. And there are rules to when and how you're supposed to make sure the court has copies of those documents in advance so that they can actually review and be prepared to make a ruling on your day in court. Anyway, just a couple of quick tips. There will be others for the next little while. We'll probably do a few more on small claims court procedure with a little tip. Probably, I don't know if we'll do 30 days, but there's definitely a lot of things a lot of you are going to have to start dealing with as this threshold increases. And that goes no matter what state you're in. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions about this.